Welcome back to Color Class. I'm Sarah.
I'm Lucinda.
In today's video, we picked some not so great shades, so we are going to talk about what not to wear.
You know, what we were thinking is, wouldn't it be fun if we could take you guys shopping with us? Because when Sarah and I go shopping, the first thing I do, and I was like, Sarah, does this look good on me? And, does this look good on me? And so we're going to try to do it here with drapes.
Why not?
So we have some drapes here, and we're going to ask you.
Well, let's be honest. We did not pick any good ones. We just want to have fun. We want to have a good time.
All right.
And look at how bad some of these colors are.
Okay.
So
That's the truth.
Don't copy us. Don't wear these shades if you are. I am soft. I have my hair pulled back today, so I'm going to be more of a medium to deep tone. Neutral skin tone. You see a lot of neutrality here. You don't really see my red hair. And then from soft to clear, I am very soft. I have like gray, blue-green eyes and soft skin tone and soft hair color because I have a lot of dimension to my hair. So I am very soft. What did I grab? I grabbed a very light, let's see, this is an icy green. Are we ready for icy green?
So ready.
Oh my goodness. Look at my skin tone.
What skin tone?
Yeah, oh man, I go so gray, so ashy. My skin tone. Yes,
That's not your best.
It's
not even on the good list.
You know what? This wouldn't be too bad on you. It wouldn't be your best.
Give me.
But here, it wouldn't be like horrendous. It would.
Oh no.
But it's not like what you have coming up is worse. You know what I'm trying to say.
Well, let me tell you why this isn't good. I have a lot of sun damage, and I've got really soft, like a whole bunch of different colors hair, and a lot of sun damage. So I've got lots of spotty, kind of mixy-ishy stuff going on. This makes me look more sun damaged and spotted than I would in a color that I would pick.
I'm not sure it's going to be able to pick up as much as like looking right here. But yes, and
she'll attest to it.
The hair color also goes green. So this right here is actually shifting green compared to when you bring it down. Because this cooler shirt is bringing the coolness here. But when we bring in this shade, it's definitely shifting a bit more green.
So I'm too softy puffy, just ishy. This has some crunch to it. And I'm not a crunchy looking person.
Yes. It's not We got some good ones coming up. All right, my next choice. Are we ready?
I'm ready, and I want to try that one too.
You know what? Actually, I'm gonna go with this one. This one's more yellowy. You know we were gonna bring in yellow. You know, a yellowy orange right here. This one is very warm. Here we go. I should just do it. All right. As you can see, this color is arriving.
What happened to Sarah?
Right. This color is standing out way before me. This arrives way before I do.
Yeah, in fact, there are two of us on the screen right now. You can't see us for this.
Yes, if we both get behind this color is the one that's going to be running the video today. So
we can do this like this. Let's just open it up.
Oh, open it up all the way?
Yes.
But then I have to fold it up.
Yeah, you do.
All right, here we go. As you can see. Yeah, your skin tone goes very warm in this. Very warm. Now you can see my neutrality, though, compared to you with that. This is why I always say neutrality in my skin tone. Whew.
And then let's just put it right
just
over
to
here.
have fun.
Look at my ishiness.
Yes, you do. Without glasses, too, you would not be here. You would leave the room.
Lucinda has left the screening. Okay, you want to see one of mine? Or are you going to do yours?
Oh, I was going to do my last one, which
do it.
Of course is orange. It's going to be rough on both of us, but we're here to have fun. We're here to look bad for you.
And that is such a difficult chore.
All right, my last color, again, very warm, very clear and deep. So,
You know what's weird? It's not as bad as the yellowy orange. I know, it's bad.
Yes.
I'm saying it's bad.
Well,
it's not as bad.
Do you know why? Because this is also a deep shade. This one here, very warm. But you remember, my hair has some depth to it. So this one's not going to be as bad as something like this. And this
Yes.
one, again, is even cooler. So we're just... I was trying to grab like the worst. We do not have a black one. Like we just don't have a black. How do we not have a black? But you know what? I really wanted to show you how
I'm
gray.
sure we didn't look long and hard enough.
Well, this was the closest I could find to like a black, which is actually a very
It's actually what
dark.
you're wearing almost.
Almost, but mine is much lighter.
So
And
you want to start with
Mine
this
has
on you?
a mesh fabric to it. Oh yeah, this looks black on camera. Here we go. How do I look?
It's not horrible.
Do I look gray? Like right in here? Does this go gray?
Yeah,
Because
yeah,
that's
it does. A little bit.
that's what's gonna happen.
A little bit.
All right, are you ready?
Ready.
Shift it on over. Oh, I didn't get to see what happened in the camera. Go ahead. Do it one more time. Flip. Oh, wow. Right in here. It goes so dark.
Ready?
Oh, wow. That's unbelievable because this hair isn't even dark. Like down here, not even that dark. Wow. That's unbelievable. I mean, at least your glasses are tying in a little bit more depth to it, so
Yeah, it's just if I had this on, I would look like a disembodied head.
you do have that on.
And I look like a disembodied head.
Well, now you can see how much more depth I can wear versus how much depth you can wear. But you have glasses on, so it's kind of cheating.
I've got a whole bag full of glasses over here. You want to put some on?
No,
Okay.
I do
I
not.
thought we were having fun today.
Guys, I will get a headache. That's not happening.
All right. Oh, I've got glasses for you
All
that
right.
have no lens in them.
I have agreed. By the way, she was popping out lenses for me. She was like, "Oh, you can wear these." I was like,
No. We are trying to come up with the perfect eyeglass show so that we can tell people what colors to wear, etc. And so in order for Sarah to be able to model those frames, I was popping the lenses out. And I was like, you can wear these. And she goes, Mom, I am not going to go out on the street with fake glasses on. I was like, who said anything about the street?
Yes. Do you remember like back in like middle school when people would just pop out the lenses because they wanted to wear glasses? All right. Do you remember? Because I remember that.
I do remember that shortly after that, they brought out glasses for use with computer screens that had no prescription.
The blue light ones. Yeah.
Yes.
All right.
All right. I'm dying to show you this one because this is the color that when I see this color, no matter how cute. In fact, I was shopping yesterday and I saw this color on something so cute. The style was cute. Everything about it was cute. I just loved it. But it was this color. And I ran. I didn't walk. I ran out of the store.
This is a popular color, but man, you go yellow. And your hair, it darkens so much. It's crazy how much your hair darkens.
You want to see it on and off?
Yes.
Ready? We call this toggling, but okay. So
look at how much darker your hair gets when you have this color. That is, wow, wild.
Oh, the color calls to the color. You know, it's like I'm dark. You got to find something dark on you, and usually it calls to right here. It goes.
And you know what? You have glasses on too, so this is actually not like the glasses give a little bit more. Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay. We can put the glasses back on if you need to see.
Yeah, we really need to put the glasses back on because I'm blind as a bat.
I was going to say, please don't toggle without your glasses, or you're going to like punch yourself.
I know. You know, I read this article today. It was very disturbing to me because that I'm 69 years old now, and they told me that I need to have cataract surgery because I have cataracts. And they've said that cataract surgery can affect your ability to see color. I was like, no. What am I going to do?
You have me. I'll be the color person.
My
for
girl.
You.
Okay, ready?
See, this one won't be too bad. You're going to be like, no, this is...
Yeah, this is really bad.
Yes.
But look how blue it makes my hair.
Yeah. You go so cool.
It's weird.
By the way, there is some warmth in this hair here.
In this mess? She was going to say in this mess.
No.
She was like, yes. There is. And weirdly, this color in the back, normally I pull this back. You don't usually see it, but I brought it down so that you could use it with the color.
Yeah.
But what's interesting is if you look carefully at that hair back there, it's still red.
You do have some red. You know what? I'll take a photo so we can show it. Let me... I bet you... Oh, I don't have my phone. I'll have to go grab my phone and we'll take a photo so I can put it on screen. Yeah. There's some red in there. Oh, yeah. For sure.
And this back here, it's got a lot of red left in it. Mm-hmm. So, it's just what I always say. In color analysis, none of us fit in any little bucket. There are always things about us, our eyes, our skin tone, whatever, that make us unique. And we just have to find the colors that perfectly fit our uniqueness.
Yes, that is for sure. I'm just going to drape myself in some of these shades to really oh gosh, what is happening here? This is why we do color analysis, and this is why we love it. So thank you for joining us today. I hope you learned what not to wear in this video.
I don't know that this taught you a doggone thing, but I had a lot of fun.
We do. We really like draping. If you can't tell, we really enjoy doing the side-by-side comparisons for this. So if you want to get more from us, links are down in the description below. Our socials, our Patreon link. Hop on over there. We'd love to chat with you. So thank you for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe. And lastly, I'm Sarah.
I'm Lucinda.
This has been another color class, and we'll see you in our next video.